Good morning, kids. Welcome to our class. Today in our class, we are going to study about E-vowel sound words and E-vowel sound story. Before that, let's discuss about today's date and day. Today's date is 16/6/2020 and today's day is Tuesday. Today is 16/6/2020 and today's day is Tuesday. Kids, we have already studied about different types of vowels. We have already discussed about different types of vowels in our previous videos. Then we have discussed about and we have learnt about A vowel sound words, and we have already heard a story based on A vowel. The sound of A is E. The sound of A is E. Likewise, the sound of E vowel is E. E. The sound of E vowel is E. Let's see different words associated with E vowel sound. Open your book, your English book. Open your English book, in which you will, on page number 16, you will find A vowel story. Page number 16, on which you will find A vowel story. Let's see one by one the E vowel. Web, web, ebb, web, ebb. It's here the vowel sound. Here it's coming E vowel sound. Ebb, bed, ed, bed, ed, red, 10, pen, leg, pet. On the next page, jet, net, hen, hen, net, jet, pet, pen, bed, web, red, 10, leg. With all these words, let's make a small story. With all these words, let's make a small story. A little girl has hurt her leg. A little girl has hurt her leg and she is lying on her bed. She is lying on her bed. Her pet dog is sitting under the bed. Her pet dog is sitting under the bed. She is wearing a red cap. She is wearing a red cap. She is looking out of the window. She is looking out of the window. She sees a jet in the sky. She sees a jet in the sky. Then she pick up a pen and paper and started drawing a jet on the paper. Then she pick up a pen and paper and started drawing a jet on the paper. She sees a web on the wall. She sees a web on the wall. Then she sees a web on the wall. Then she told the hen. Then she told the hen to get a net. To get a net to catch the spider. Then she told the hen to get a net to catch the spider. She looks at the calendar. She looks at the calendar. It is 10 July today. She looks at the calendar. It is 10 July today. She smiles and thinks her birthday is on the next day. She smiles and thinks her birthday is on the next day. Now she is sad. How can she celebrate her birthday with this hurted leg? With the hurted leg. Okay, children, this is the story. Let's hear it once again. You please see the picture. I am just telling the story to you. A little girl has hurt her leg and she is lying on her bed. Her pet dog is sitting under the bed. Her pet dog is sitting under the bed. She is wearing a red cap. She is wearing a red cap. She is looking out of the window. She sees a jet in the sky. She then picks up a pen and a paper and started drawing a jet on a paper. And started drawing a jet on the paper. She sees a web on the wall. She tells her hen to get a net. She looks at the calendar. It is 10 July today. She smiles and thinks her birthday is on next day. And she was feeling sad how to celebrate her birthday with her hurted leg. How to celebrate her birthday with her hurted leg. So children, with this story, today we studied about the E vowel sound story. Today we studied about the E vowel sound story. Now see here, I have written different E vowel words. I have written over here different E vowel words. Few words ending with ed. Few words ending with ed. Then few words ending with en. Then few words ending with eb. Words ending with et, ed, en, eb, et, and eg, egg. Okay, it pronounced like ed, en, eb, et, edge. Sorry, egg. Ed, en, eb, et, egg. Like bed, fed, led, red, wet. Bed, fed, led, red, wet. Den, hen, men, pen, ten. Web, feb. Bet, get, jet, let, met, net, pet, set, yet, wet. Beg, leg, peg. Beg, leg, peg. So these are different words which I have jotted down over here. Now your homework is write these words in your copy and copy it once again like this. Bed, fed, like I have written over here. You too have to write this in your copy. Write it in your 4-line copy and write it in beautiful handwriting like this. You have to write it 2 times, not only 1 time. You have to write it 2 times like I have written over here. You also have to write it 2 times. Bet, get, and while writing speak it aloud so that you can learn the pronunciation. Speak it aloud. Net, pet, set, wet, yet. Beg, leg, peg. Like this you have to write. This is your homework. Okay, and learn these words. Learn the pronunciation of these words. Learn the pronunciation of these words. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.